A container shaped like a cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeter is full of ice cream. Okay, let us draw a cylinder first. This is our cylinder. All right. What are the dimensions? Diameter is 12 centimeters. So radius will be half of that. It will be 6 centimeters. And height 15 centimeters. It is completely filled with ice cream. Okay. Ice cream is to be filled into the cones of height 12. Okay, we are filling this in the cones. What is the height of the each cone? 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, and the diameter is 6. So radius will be equal to how much? 3 centimeters, right? Ice cream is to be filled into the cones of height 12 centimeter and diameter 6 centimeter, having a hemispherical shape on the top. Okay, we also have a hemisphere at the top. Find the number of such ice creams, such cones which can be filled with ice cream. All right. See, we don't know how many ice creams can be filled, right? So let the number of ice creams be n. Let the number of ice creams that can be filled be n, capital N. Okay. So volume of this cylinder should be equal to n into volume of this ice cream, right? What is the volume of this complete ice cream? Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Okay. So let us first find volume of this ice cream, this cylinder. It will be equal to how much? Pi r square h. Pi, let it be pi, it will get cancelled anyway in the last. R square, 6 into 6, height is 15. So this is the volume of cylinder. Okay. Now let us find volume of one ice cream. All right. Volume of one ice cream, see, is equal to volume of hemisphere. All right. Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone, right? So what is volume of hemisphere? It is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. All right. Okay, what can we take common from here? 1 by 3 pi r square. Okay, pi r square 1 by 3 we can take. So we are left with 2r here plus h. See, if you are having doubts, just multiply. R square into r cube pi. Okay, 2 pi r cube divided by 3, first term. Pi by 3 r square into h, pi by 3 r square h. So second term, right? So it is like this. So it is pi into r square. What is the value of r here? 3. So it is 3 into 3, and in the denominator we have 1 3, right? Into 2 into 3 plus height of the cone is how much? 12. Height of this cone is 12, right? Okay, so this 3 will get cancelled. We'll have 3 pi and 6, 2 3 is 6, 6 plus 12, 18. All right, this is volume of one cone. Now volume of one ice cream will be this much. Volume of n ice creams will be equal to n into 3 pi into 18, right? N into this term. Okay, now this volume is equal to the volume of this cylinder, right? So let us equate them both. Pi into 6 into 6 into 15 is equal to n into 3 pi into 18. So n into 3 pi into 18. See, pi and pi got cancelled, right? 6 into 6 into 15 divided by, we need to find the value of n. So 3 and 18 should go on the other side, right? Now cancel this. This will go 2 times. Okay, this will go 3 times. So we have 2 into 15 by 3 is equal to n. 15, right? 3 5s is 15. So 2 5s are 10. So number of ice creams that can be filled are equal to how much? Is equal to how much? 10. So we can fill 10 ice creams. Okay.